Ready, set,
So
go!
I am walking and found something in my show. What's a bomb? So I step it slowly. Actually exploded. I jumped into outer space. So what I did, it's a fall. Yeah! I break my bones and my doctor said, hey, where's the brakes? And I was so angry. So I punched the doctor's leg and broke his leg. Moves his skin and turns to a bald guy.
And then you show it to us again. What will happen if you step on the ball?
So the doctor picked the ball and said it up, and the doctor said, "This ball is so dangerous. We should explode."
Look at Giddy showing it. Harder! Push harder! Try again. Show it again. Uh-oh. How about your Nerf gun? Show it. Giddy, sit down ka properly. Ma-pull down ka. Look, there's Elias have a Nerf gun. Ganyan ba yun you use? Wow, there's Giddy have a Nerf gun also.
So I'll show you how long is this.
Okay. Wow. Wow. Up above the ceiling. Wow, it's so very tall. That is a Star Wars lightning sword.
It's in the box of a temple. And I look.
Wow, you have Nerf gun again.
So ready? Look.
And then,
And then
rolling. Ganon. Wow, there's so many Nerf gun, Elias. Can you show us how to use that? Wow. Is that real? Is that your collection? Wow. Wow, so many. Oh, now you explain what is that all about? Why you take that all?
Next weapon is
Up.
a knife.
And
Nasa
then,
gagawin ito ay napapatay ng people or soldiers.
that's not good for kids. That's only a toy, okay? Don't get the real knife. It's dangerous for the kiddos.
So this is gonna
You will get wound.
and the soldiers have armors to
Yeah.
This they can break the armor and die the soldiers apparently.
Yeah, exactly.
Weapon.
What is that color?
What?
Oh, next, you tell me the color of the others.
Okay. Orange, brown, gold, and green. Orange, red, and green, and
Giddy found dinos.
What?
You love dinos?
It's fitting.
Yeah. Thank you po sa sponsor ng damit ni Elias and Giddy. Mayroon pong nakasulat na personal name at saka yung kanilang age is Spider-Man 5 and Spider-Man 3. That's so nice.
Yeah, because.
I love it.
Put the ball dito inside.
I don't know. You check it. Why there's sound?
Put it. Put it. That's my.
It's a monster truck, but no battery at all.
Yeah. Let's buy and bull battery and then under the wet and then put battery in.
Okay. If we buy battery, it will run again.
Yeah, because truck.
That is the life of the monster truck.
No.
Look at that. It's a Mickey Mouse monster truck.
You can perfect the light in it.
Yeah.
You can turn to a man and a Superman.
Yeah, if you press the button, it will move.
Yeah.
That is the characteristic of the toy. I don't know what is the name of that. Do you know what is the name of that?
That's my favorite movie. That's my childhood movie.
That is your childhood movie?
It talks really nothing. Mirror.
What is that kind of animals? Is that a frog
No,
or a gecko?
no, it's a alien.
Oh my.
So,
So you explain what are the others gone so that I will end the videos.
So we have
Ayan po yung mga toys nila Ilyas. In-online selling ko po yan. Tapos, scary naman yan. Where's the body? Why it's only a head? Is that Magdalena and isang araw? Oh, you found the body. But how will you put that together?
paano man muna, stanch typein mo. Look like a dragon.
It's so scary. Is that a T-Rex?
I'll get the stanch type.
Ayan po yung head. Ayan po yung body. Na broken na siya. Ayan. Wala talaga nagtatagal na toy kay Ilyas at Gidi kasi nga they're so very active. That is the reason why everything is broken. Ayun po yung bike. Maraming salamat po sa nagbigay kay Ilyas. Another gun. But yun, it's only a joke. That's not a good joke at all. Tapos ayan po yung slides and swings. Bigay lang din po kay Ilyas and Giri. Tapos ayan po yung mga Nerf gun na ino-online selling ko tapos hindi po nabili. Kaya ayun, kami po ang magbabayad. Opo. Tapos hindi pa po namin nabayaran.
Wheel.
You find the wheels. That is Scooby-Doo. When I was a kid, that is my favorite.
Where do you buy it?
I didn't buy that. Somebody gave me.
With people.
I don't remember.
Is it
Because it's too long ago.
Is it Jarfil?
No.
Is it Mr. Peace?
No.
Is it...
Wow, you have so many Trucky. There's Giddy, have a Trucky. And this one, the Nerf gun. Ayan. Tada! Ayan pa siya. And here. And here. And here. One for Elias and one for Giddy.
Head.
And there's a chicken.
And his head.
And a head. That is a nice sound.
So you put it.
That is a whistle. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Asan pa? Nothing na. It's like a part. Amazing. Give a round of applause. You made a great job. What is that? Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.